Hello friends, I am your host Rakesh from Digital World Tech Solution. Welcome you to my channel. So guys, today I have brought something very special for you guys that can be very helpful for your tele business. Before starting the session, I would like you to request please press the bell icon on my channel and please subscribe my channel. So without wasting our time, let's discuss about today's free TDL. Guys, as we know in Tele ERP9 and Tele Prime is a very good accounting tool for our business operations, right? Tally provides us variety of reports with regards to sale, purchase, accounts, inventory, payroll, and so on. And because of these features, Tally become the number one accounting software in India. So the next, if we speak to enhance the Tally productivity, we can add so many add-ons and new feature list as we want, right? And with the help of those add-ons, we can use Tally more effectively to manage our business operations. Next, I believe you all are aware about that in Tally we don't have an activity log, right? What is mean by activity log? I will explain to you. Activity log means if I want to track that at what time which particular user which which particular invoice he have made, and at what time which another user he have make amendment to that invoice, right? Or maybe any other transaction, it can be sale, it can be purchase, journal, payment receipt, right? If I want to track that which particular user have made the invoice and which particular user have made some changes at what time and what he had done so far, so in Tally we can find this kind of features, right? So to get rid this kind of issues, I have made a wonderful tutorial for you guys that can help you to track your business of invoices in Tally and same time keep an eye on your teams as well. So let's go to demo session. So guys, so let's start. First of all, if I just go to my Tally, I'm here. I will just show you by default how it work actually. So if I go to my Tally here, and as suppose I'm going to create an invoice, right? So if I just go here, my Tally invoice, sales invoice here, I will choose a party name here, right? And I will enter the details here, right? Then the sale ledger, then the item name, some quantity here, then I put some rate here as well, right? Then amount is coming here, and after that I can add my discount, my VAT charges, GST as you want. So guys, I make one sale invoice, right? And in the same time I just I will just go to log out this company. I'll press alt F1 here and shut this company, right? So this time I will go to same company and log in from the different user. When I log into different user, I'll open my daybook again, display daybook, and I can see this invoice is here, and I'm going to make some changes at this invoice. As suppose I just change the rate into the particular invoice. I just make it to 500, or I just reduce also, right? I make 500, then I save this voucher again. And here, if I want to know that which particular user have made this invoice and what changes they have made so far, I will not be able to track it, right? So to get rid from this kind of situations, I have prepared one wonderful TDL that can helpful to you in this kind of scenarios. So guys, let's go for the TDL. So I'll press Control Alt T here, right? I'll press F4 here, press yes here, and whatever the path of my TDL is there, I'll press right click on the properties here, click on the security tab here, then I'll copy the path from here, Control C, I'll come back to my Tally, I'll paste it here, Control V, and click enter, and save. So now guys, let's go to reporting part again. If I go to display and daybook here, guys, this is by default report is coming there, but here if this time I'll press F12 here, one moment, I'll go back to the main user and log in for the admin to start the TDL. I'll press admin details here, and if I go to display daybook here and I press F12 here, you can see guys, show voucher history. It means it will enable some feature for me that can help me in this business, right? So guys, you can see some columns are coming here: entry mode, username, date, entry time, and total amount, right? So let's go. As suppose this time I will make one invoice here, right? I'll go to sales invoice here, I will mention some customer details here, and I just put some item and put some quantity, rate, and so on, right? and apart from that I just make some taxes as well and save the voucher. Now guys, if I go back to my display daybook here and I press F12 here, enable the detail, guys, you can see here you can track that which particular user have created this invoice, right? This is the admin, created by admin, and what was the date and what was the time. You can just check the timing of my system as well, and what was the total amount, right? And the same way, let's go to another user and let's make some changes to same invoice. I'll press Alt F1 to close this company, and now I'm going to log in from the different user. So I'll go to display daybook, press enter here, right? And now I'm going to change the quantities and rate here. I change the 5 quantity and I make the rate to 400 dirhams, and I'm going to save the voucher. And when I save the voucher, guys, I will go back to my main company, main user admin, admin. And guys, if you're going to save, if you're going to see this report from here, now you can see, guys, you can track it out. You can see first at 4:52 am I create the invoice, and my another user into same tally, user B, in the same date and at the different time make some changes at the invoice level, right guys? So you can see, even if I just go back to the same transaction, and as suppose I change again this transaction here, I make it 5,000 and I'm going to save this again. So guys, you can track it here again. See, as many numbers you will make transaction modification in tally system, it will keep recording those data here. It will keep recording. See, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, and so on. It's up to you. As many numbers user, as many times your number user will open the particular invoice and make some amendment, it will keep recording here, right? So I hope guys this report is very helpful to you. And one more feature is here available in the tally here. As suppose display daybook, I have to press F12 all the time here, right? Just to open this report and get rid of this kind of scenarios. You can press here like display daybook, then F12 here, and press yes here, and then you can just save this view here. Save view, my customize daybook report. So guys, you don't need to, and you can just press set this as a default view for the report. It will save it for you here. Click enter and save here. So guys, next time when you go for display daybook, you don't need to press F12 here and open the vouchers. Simply just go to the particular daybook. It will show you this format, right guys? I hope this TDL is very wonderful, and I hope you like this TDL. Guys, one more thing I want to mention in this session. If you feel that some of the things are missing into this particular TDL, you can request me in the comment section, and I will try to add those things into the particular TDL and I will give it to you. So guys, I would like to request you to share my channel with your friends so that you will be notified for the next free TDLs in the next sessions. So till that time, thank you so much.